Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In Fortnite, I've just been wondering. There's a really weird roaring sound. It's been here for ages. Did you just hear that? Put it on full volume because did you just hear that? There's a rumbling sound in it. I think it's a dragon. So I'm really confused. And yeah. I'm just gonna I'm gonna have to get it. Sorry guys, it's gonna take a tiny bit of time. And this roaring just sounds really weird. It's just like you can see the screen pretty well. It's just so weird. I'll put it my thing on full volume. Okay, it was on full volume. But it's so weird. And comment down below if you know what it is. Oh, by the way, I'm also game mode. And it's really good. It's your favourite mode. And the bus is here, obviously, in the playground. But it's also vaulted. I don't know why I'm just losing. I'm meant to be... Okay, look, so basically, I did discover something. So basically, there's TV in Tilted Towers. If it turns black or dark green or green, it means something's happening. And there's cracks in Photo Peak, literally. There's cracks, look at that. Oh, it's because of this low gravity, I'm rolling so bad. Look, there's cracks though. So Photo Peak has 10 blue. I think that was Snowface standing. Okay, I'm just gonna leave for you, so you can see it properly without the low gravity. I'm gonna jump back in there, don't worry. But the rumbling, it's just so weird. I just don't know what it means. I think I see 9 when it's starting. Gravity. My God. I need to go to 3 a.m., 3 p.m. Okay, I think this is good. Let's sponsor a match. Ah! Jump jets! Okay, you missed it. Oh, sorry about the creaking noise. I didn't know if you want to still see. Oh no! I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do this. So my battery is low on my camera. I can record it. So I'm gonna have to make this a short video because of my battery. I'll stream after. And yeah. So as you can see, I'm in Creative Playground, and let's just see what happens. Oh yeah. Comment down below if you subscribe. I've got 11 subscribers, and I actually don't know who they are. So be a good person and subscribe as well. I don't know if I just missed them all or not. I can't tell. No idea. What is I'm at my 90s. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you see that? That just shook. Oh my gosh. That wasn't my real 90, by the way. This is my... Oh my gosh. No one's building this today. I just watched someone a YouTube video, and even they were building as well. Oh my gosh, I'm out of minds already. Oh, why did I put wood on my job? I think this is 170 meters high. Now I should be able to easily show you my 90s. And oh my gosh, I'm so bad I'm no full damage in playground. I'm so bad at it. It's just I'm in playground, I'm used to having it on no full damage. Oh wait, what? Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna end up dying for the rest of the time here. Sorry about this, dying anyway. I'm not very good at the left side. Oh my gosh, build. So if you are on Xbox or PlayStation, what you would like to do is just build there, build that, those two walls, and the wall under if you want, just under this wall. Oh, did you see that? Did it? Right. So technically, there's a lot of action. Oh, sorry about that. And why am I always 1 HP? Oh yeah, because I said it like that. Who said it like this? I didn't say it like this. But I can't run the video again, so look, it's shrinking inside. That will give me a little bit of health or something. I don't know, but that wouldn't give me any full damage health though. Oh, that just shook. I'm not sure where it is. But I think, yeah, the ice is melting and you can see the drips. Gosh. No, I've never seen that before. Where's the... What the hell is this? Thank you. Oh my gosh, how much layers is it? I don't know how to destroy chest. gotta be here. No. Sorry guys, just I have to say something. Not really, but I say. Oh my gosh! That was really weird. As soon as I died, it shakes, wasn't it? I don't know. For goodness sake. Hello, I'm a people. Wait, that's weird. Look, it makes me bounce, doesn't it? But when I shoot that, it doesn't bounce. That's weird. That's a weirdo. I'm not clickbait, by the way. If you play Fortnite, check that. This is not clickbait. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what is that? Maybe the last time I ever ran Polar Peak, people. Go Polar Peak as much as you can, because it's going. It's going. Look what I'm going to do. So, what the? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did you see that? It made me explode off there. Oh my gosh! Shit again. Okay, guys, sorry, but I'm gonna need to end the video here. Gabbing on for 16 minutes. Gonna have to end the video here. Peace out.